Welcome to our channel! Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful superfoods, Moringa. You've heard about its benefits, but the real question is, how should you take Moringa, and which method works best? Let's break it down. Moringa leaf powder. The most popular way to consume Moringa is in powder form. You can mix 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder into your smoothie, tea, yogurt, or even sprinkle it on food. It's easy, convenient, and keeps most of the nutrients intact. This method is perfect for daily use. Just don't overdo it. Moringa tea. Next is boiling fresh or dried moringa leaves in water to make a powerful detox tea. Boil a handful of leaves in 2 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and drink. Add lemon or honey for extra flavor and benefits. This is especially great in the morning or before bed for digestion and cleansing. Moringa capsules. If you're always on the go, moringa capsules are a great choice. They're easy to take and contain concentrated nutrients. Just make sure to buy from a trusted source. Which one is best? So, which is the best method? That depends on your lifestyle. Powder for smoothies and easy meals, tea for detox and relaxation, capsules for convenience. All offer amazing health benefits like boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, and improving energy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs the power of Moringa in their life. Comment below, how do you take your Moringa? See you in the next video.